Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning one of the most useful tenses in English grammar, the past perfect tense. So, what exactly is the past perfect tense? Simply put, it's used to show an action that had already finished before another action happened in the past. In other words, when you have two events in the past perfect tells you which one happened first. Let's look at the formula. It's simple: subject plus had plus the past participle, also called V3. For example, she had left. That's it, just had plus the third form of the verb. Now here's the easiest way to understand it. Think of a timeline. Imagine two events. Event 1 happens first, that's your past perfect, had plus V3. Event 2 happens later, that's your simple past. For example, the train had left before I arrived. The train leaving happened first, so we use had left. My arriving happened second, so we use simple past arrived. Let's see some more examples. The train had left before I arrived at the station. She had finished her homework before her mother came home. We had already eaten by the time the movie started. Notice had plus V3 for the earlier action. For negative sentences, we just add not after had, so had not, or the short form hadn't. For example, they hadn't eaten anything before the movie started. I had never seen an elephant before that day. To ask a question, we simply move had to the front. Had plus subject plus V3. For example, had you ever visited Paris before you moved there? Had they arrived before the meeting started? Now, certain words often signal that you need the past perfect, words like before, after, already, just, until, by the time, and never. Whenever you spot these words in a sentence with two past events, think past perfect. Let's talk about a common mistake. Never say, I had went to school. That's wrong, because went is the second form of the verb. The correct sentence is I had gone to school, using the third form, gone. Also remember, don't use past perfect if there's only one action in the past. You always need two events to compare. Let's do a quick recap. Past perfect equals had plus V3. It shows the earlier of two past events. And it's often used with words like before, after, and already. Now here's a quick practice for you. Complete this sentence. She ___ her dinner before he called. Write your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.